subscribe, comment down below, and give me some views. No, like, you know what I'm saying. So here's the ingredients. Your parents like it. They'll let you do it. It's a good recipe. Glue, contact solution, which is our activator. Baking soda. Here are tools, bowls, teaspoons, and spatulas. Okay, so let's get started. Yay! So you're gonna open your glue and then pour it in, and your parents like it because like it's not messy, and so like it's not messy and it's like a very good recipe. And how is like a very good recipe? Like it's not really messy, and you like your hands won't get messy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's finish putting this glue in. So while I'm pouring this, I'm gonna be like telling you I'm gonna be making 2 slimes, like silver and red. It's like gonna be cool. I'm gonna put it together, and I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Okay, so let's leave this out. Yep. Okay, so I'm squeezing it out. I got most of it. Well, I got a lot. I'm already done. I'm already done. I just have some at the end. So now I'm gonna be putting the baking soda in, and I'm gonna do it both. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting half a tablespoon. Okay, so I'm gonna put some. Okay, now you're gonna stir it. Okay, so I need the spoon. First, I'm gonna start with silver. You're gonna stir it good till you get all that baking soda. Good. See how quick I got that baking soda? So that should happen to you. So you want to mix it good. Okay, I think I got this one good. Okay, looks good. Looks good to me. Okay, so I'm gonna move this out of my way so I don't have to spill and I have to start all over. Okay, so let's get started with the red. So like remember, if you forget you're putting half a tablespoon of baking soda, watch this video again on Kids Social Life with you. Okay, and you're gonna put half contact solution, which is our activator again, in your bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure you get it in there good. Okay, I got it in there good. So then now I'm gonna put some in here. Okay, so I put it half in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna okay, so I finished doing that. Now you mix it good. So you mix it good. After this, we're gonna mix this one and then knead it. So knead it is like, I'm gonna knead it in the bowl, and kneading is what means like you're gonna knead it till it gets perfect, until it turns into slime. Right now it is weird. So You see how it's getting a little slimy a little? Okay, I'm gonna let that sit and see if I got it really. Okay, I think I think it's slimy. Okay, I'm gonna leave that here for right now. Okay, now I'm going to do red. Oh, now you always make sure you be careful. Don't worry, I didn't drip no. Just want to mix it good. Okay, so I'm mixing it good. Okay, now I'm gonna knead it. So no, I need to put some more activator. Okay, can I get some activator, please? Thank you. So you're gonna put some. That's go on my hand too. And get it off. Okay, so we did that. Okay, so now we're going to knead it. Okay, so get it off this. Oh, look at that. Look at this beauty. So I'm still kneading it. I need some more activator. So if you have still some activator in your bowl and you need some more activator, you can just get some from your bowl. And if you wash your hands, it just come off good. So yeah, it will come off good. So keep on adding a little bit of activator at a time, so it's so you can know when it's slime and it's not sticking to you. So this is sticking to me, so I'm gonna add more activator. And make sure you put some on my hand. Thank you very much. Okay, so see, it's not sticking to me, so it might be slime right now. Just gonna. Okay, so it might be slime. Okay, so, and you make sure you clean your tools. You can make more. Okay, so it is, let's see if it's slime. Jumbo, please. It's slime! Yeah! Okay, we can resist slime. Now let's do this one. And you wipe my hands because we're putting this together and making a wool. It's gonna be a wool. Okay, so I'm gonna why isn't stuff working for me? Okay, I'm gonna act like I'm gonna knead it, see if it's slime. Okay, so I guess it's slime. Okay, now I'm gonna knead it good. So knead it good. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna so now we're gonna put it on each other. So I'm gonna put this in this bowl. Okay, it looks weird right now. Okay, now I'm gonna twist it. I guess we made it all red and silver slime. Okay, so come back next time to the Kids Social and make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and like. Maybe some views. Bye.